Welcome to Zafigo. Very good morning to all of you.
I think ZafigoX is an amazing platform to inspire other women.
That you can actually become, you can feed other people, you can monetize it, you can make a business, you can build an empire.
Just feel free. It's all about creativity, love.
Always, by the time we get to the end of the workshop, you can immediately hear the increase in level and the stability of the voice. And I find that to be the most special.
I think that is the buzz that I saw in the room, and I think that is the one that I really enjoyed seeing.
Putting all kinds of people in one room with each having different skills is actually making something very big happening together.
Participants are very open and they ask really good questions, and they're not shy to share about like intimate stories about themselves.
The same place, same time, but the beauty of it is what they see, what they shot, the output is different. So it's very nice to see that, yeah.
Fascinating because I basically discovered something new from these workshops.
Holding this event every month to bring writers together, so that's exciting.
So everyone was laughing and I really liked that moment.
It makes you feel more comfortable. Today's approach was like very good, so that was amazing.